Neutrogena Hydro Boost Night Moisturizer for Face, Hyaluronic Acid Facial Serum for Dry Skin, Oil-Free and Non-Comedogenic, 1.7 ounces. 1.7-ounce jar of Neutrogena Hydro Boost Pure Hyaluronic Acid Night Pressed Face Serum to rapidly restore revitalize skin overnight for 3x more hydration. Wake up to smooth, supple skin that's 3x more hydrated with this concentrated multi-restorative purified hyaluronic acid facial serum. It melts into your skin, instantly hydrating deep within your skin surface. Night Serum restores skin's moisture barrier overnight as formulated with purified hyaluronic acid supercharged antioxidants, known to help fight daily aggressors, to turn dry skin into restored, smooth, and supple skin. Hydrating Pressed Night Serum is suitable for all skin types, non-greasy, non-comedogenic. It is oil-free and alcohol-free. Apply hydrating serum generously to face and neck and leave on overnight as part of a daily at-home hydrating skincare routine. Designed with the earth in mind. We've removed the window and plastic tray from this carton for easier recycling. Top reviews from the United States. I love this stuff. I have very sensitive skin. I love this stuff. It doesn't break me out and it feels so nice. It's moisturizing without being heavy or greasy. Just enough to give your skin the love it needs. Also, it smells really nice.